Hi, good morning. Let's inhale and exhale first before we get started. Inhale, hug yourself, say I love you, I love everyone. And exhale. Yesterday I went to church with my family and oh, what a good Sunday. I had smiles, I had tears. I was just so happy to see everyone. And no one knew that I was coming, and we just had a good day. So that was a big smile. And my nephew, he preached, and good God, he really preached. I mean, he was down in the floor, and everybody really enjoyed it. It was a 11 to 6 o'clock day, but I enjoyed every minute of it. We even had dinner. So we had a great day in the Lord. And I know you're smiling now because you see my crazy hat. And that's what I want you to do. So smile. And maybe next Sunday you can get with your family and go to church and spend time. Families have to spend more time together and have to love each other. And find a place, a gathering where it's enough room where everyone can sit down and have a meal and enjoy and see all those new babies in the family. So, I'm going to talk to you tomorrow. I just wanted to pass that by you. And so, we're going to inhale and exhale and love somebody. So, inhale, hug yourself tight. Love yourself, because nobody else will. You and God are very special too. So exhale, and I'll talk to you later in the week. So have a good day and smile, smile, smiles.